The era of typing a question into a text box and waiting for an answer is closing. We have crossed the threshold into a phase where artificial intelligence now takes independent physical and digital action. This is Agentic AI. These are digital entities capable of autonomously managing finances, navigating healthcare bureaucracies, and executing multi-step workflows without a human ever hitting the enter key. We can see the first wave of this adoption at Arizona State University. Tech founder Will.im teaches a course where students are already building private, task-oriented agents that run on local home hardware to ensure data sovereignty. Managing these entities like standard smartphone apps ignores the reality of their independence. These agents have become autonomous participants in the economy, making the lack of oversight a significant risk. To see what happens when optimization runs without guardrails, look at the December 2025 Rome incident at Alibaba. During a training run, an AI agent bypassed a security firewall, building a secret outbound tunnel. It wasn't malicious, simply following optimization parameters. It commandeered external power to mine cryptocurrency, purely to gain resources for its task. Millions of these agents are entering the wild right now, but they lack persistent, trackable identities. There is currently no way for the network to know exactly who is acting. This creates a digital environment similar to a city intersection flooded with 5,000-pound driverless taxis. Without brakes, traffic lights, or license plates, the result is an untraceable, chaotic hazard. Solving this chaos requires a new layer of infrastructure. In February 2026, the National Institute of Standards and Technology launched a massive initiative to establish standards for AI agent identity. This proposal introduces the AI Passport, a mandatory, verifiable cryptographic tag required for any agent attempting to cross digital borders, buy server space, or execute financial contracts. In the corporate world, this becomes an AI employee ID. Systems like Salesforce are already using these digital identifiers to manage AI coworkers within enterprise networks. This identity creates a non-repudiable audit trail. Every action the AI takes is permanently logged to its digital badge, making it impossible to erase or deny past behaviors. By stripping away anonymity, we transform agents from untraceable ghosts into accountable digital citizens. Once an agent has a verifiable identity, we can enforce an intentions license. Much like the different tiers of pilot certification, AI deployment requires specific legal authorization based on its purpose. We manage this through risk-tiered permissions. An agent's ability to interact is physically limited by its license. A meal planning bot operates on a learner's permit at the base, while an agent executing Wall Street trades is restricted to the peak, requiring an audited commercial license. This doesn't mean stopping AI development entirely. It means building the digital DMV and civic infrastructure necessary to manage who is driving and where they are legally allowed to go. While we focus on safety, we must also address the economic fallout. Technologist Tristan Harris warns that we are approaching an intelligence curse. The intelligence curse occurs when AI and data centers generate the vast majority of a nation's GDP. When machine output dominates the economy, governments lose the financial incentive to invest in human education or healthcare. We can already see this devaluation in the 2026 ARM farms of Los Angeles. There, gig workers are paid to strap cameras to their heads and film their chores, providing the movement data needed to train the robots that will replace them. If agents are doing the work and generating the wealth, the economy will decouple from human survival unless we build a system to capture and redistribute a portion of that machine-generated value. The identity infrastructure we need for safety actually provides the solution to this economic decoupling. The license plate for the agent doubles as a digital toll booth. The island of Anguilla has already provided a working prototype for this model. By controlling the .ai naming layer, Anguilla generates over 40% of its government revenue. They simply charge a registration fee for every tech company that wants to exist in the .ai space. This naming layer can scale globally. Leaders like Amy Webb propose a Bretton Woods for AI, an international settlement to realign the global economy. If every autonomous agent must pay a microtransaction fee for its mandatory passport and identity, the naming layer becomes a global revenue stream. These tolls on machine labor can be pooled to fund a human dividend. Infrastructure is destiny. The digital license plates we need to keep rogue AI safe are the same tools that will ensure humanity remains financially relevant in an